Today we're in Temecula. We're working on a project where a dog has been tearing up a drip system, and if you're a dog owner, I'm sure you know that pain. So what we're doing today is we're actually removing the drip system because it's all above ground and the dog is just tearing it up. But we're gonna go back to the spray system that's still there. So I'll show you the process and show you kind of what we're doing. We're trying to dog proof this property because the dogs just will not stop chewing on it. So we're going to put the valves below ground and in a box, and we're going to get rid of the drip system. So if you have a lot of dogs, pay attention to this because you can, in a way, dog proof your system. Okay, and we're back. This is where the valves were. We went ahead and located them in the box here. Keep them away from the dogs. Wiring's all protected. Piping's protected. And then we reactivated the sprinklers up on the slope. Those in most cases are going to be the most robust long term, and we just put in some new nozzles up there, the Rainbird fixed spray heads nozzles. Those work really well for long term. So if you have problems with your dog getting into your wiring, your irrigation, this might be the ticket for you.